just a few thoughts here afterwards on the canvas. So still drying a little bit, but basically, as you can see, you can probably see the texture. It's a canvas. So this is called a canvas panel, I think. And you know, as you can see, it's pretty thin. It's pretty solid, holds up well. The paint kind of absorbs differently into the canvas, but it does sit on the canvas as well, kind of like how poster board does. So I wasn't expecting that at all. As you can see, we got a nice planet effect going. We were able to, you know, utilize the magazine, kind of pulling up the paint kind of aspect. So that worked good. I was worried about that. And then we also were able to gradient pretty well. Making a gradient was a little bit harder than normal. The colors didn't really want to blend together. They kind of laid on top of each other. But, you know, it's just a little bit different than what I'm used to. The water effect seemed to work pretty well. The paint dried pretty fast. I think the canvas absorbs the paint a lot quicker, which is actually in some cases pretty good in a way. Means you can do different stuff a little bit quicker. I definitely think that you can see like the layers of paint a little bit easier. Like, see how you can, I don't know if you can see, but how you can see kind of the raisedness of some of the pieces, of some of the colors and stuff. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, just overall I really liked it. I just needed to wait for the paint to dry here. That was just me not being too worried about waiting, right? Also, maybe some of the blue got underneath, because I did take off the can, so maybe some of the blue just got underneath here. So maybe it wasn't even that I needed to wait longer for it to dry. Could have just been because of that, because see how it bled through quite a bit. So I think that was probably why. So for next time, just have something on top of this weight wise. And overall, really liking these. They're not too heavy either, so shipping wise could be pretty good. Now I don't know how buildings will work for this. Probably going to be a bit harder. I'd be worried about scraping the actual canvas itself, but the canvas seems pretty durable, so I don't think that is going to actually be an issue. I was just surprised by how well this canvas panel works, and overall I would say I like this just as much as poster board so far, with this style at least. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. You do have like the more textured style. You can kind of see almost see the texture of the canvas. Whereas in poster board, you don't. It's not like you're really seeing the background of the, you know, what you're painting on exactly. So overall, pretty cool. I like it. It felt easier as far as like the paint just kind of absorbs and quickly goes onto the painting a lot. I don't know, just a little bit more interestingly, I guess. Just the paint kind of gets absorbed or lands and really like pops onto the painting a lot easier, kind of. So overall, I'm liking this a lot. I'm gonna try out more of these. So again, this is a canvas panel. This is an 11 by 14. They have them in different sizes too. I got this at Walmart, but you could probably get this other places too. But pretty cool, and not that expensive as you would think. So obviously probably not as cheap as poster board, but for just the quality of the painting material, the canvas material, I guess, pretty good, pretty nice. So I'm liking this. I'm gonna try this out a lot more, these canvas panels. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to see more of these canvas panel paintings, you know, in the comments and whatnot. So thank you all for all the support, and you know, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and subscribe if you want to see more paintings, spray paintings in particular. So this worked out really nice, and catch y'all next time. Peace.